Now from the bar we are coming to the kitchen. It's a small size kitchen for small family basically. We try to make it more practical for our client because there will be not much cooking going on. And they prefer to have some multi-function island because there's not much we can do in this size of the kitchen. We didn't want to put just a sink in the island, and so we said let's build the entire island from stone, so it is practical, more practical, easy cleaning, long lasting. So this is not Korean, this is not marble, there is artificial stone which is approved by municipality. You see the hood, cooker range. We have a big drawer here. You can see the drawers. Here we have quite multi waste bin that you can put everything separately. Invisible door, full height, no frame. This is Italian, also we are doing installation. You can see the back we can be painted at any finish from the outer room. And the back you can paint it like this is just, you can paint it on top basically. So it becomes invisible. Here we have corner shelf. This is Huffley system. We are using Huffley Bloom for our customized kitchens. We have also recessed LED strip light. It looks very elegant, clean, neat. Nice shelves, neat, clean job. Also with the light, with the sensor. You can see here. We have different kind of drawer. We are using mealy. Here we have also a shelf. To keep the line, keep the concept as it is, we made a joint on this and we connect these two doors, two shutters to make it one, to have more space in it. Fridge, big fridge, quite big. Freezer. And we have cargo shelf. These shelves are adjustable, so you can adjust it at any height. Depends on your product that you want to store it here. Also exhaust fan. This is Falmec. Quite nice, very nice, neat LED strip lines. It has an amazing filter in it. We have some extra exhaust fan built inside the back of the ceiling. We have pop-up sockets also here. There's a multifunction sockets, USB charger, data. Okay. Go next.